right, it's time to clean up again. Yay! I got this big old light in here. Yeah, we're a mess. My desk is pretty clean. I think that's a shirt, don't worry. And then when you come into the bathroom, ooh, I made a mess. Yeah. Let's wake up and clean. Good morning. This is how mornings usually go. He comes in my room as soon as I wake up. He's just like, hey, you're up. You're up. I've really been enjoying cleaning lately. I just have, like, at this moment in life, like, and it's not even like in an obsessive way, because as you can see, there's still like dirt places, and I don't try to attack everything at one time. Like, I've just been enjoying cleaning, like, and it's something that I've kind of wanted to share. I mean, everything in life for me is a journey, and I feel like there's always something to be learned in anything that you do. So, yeah. I watch a lot of cleaning videos, like a lot. And there's like all types of stuff. There's like different products and like techniques that people use. Like, there's people who have been doing this for years. I'm new. Like, yeah, so just like with my hair, just like with my style, fashion, just like with anything, this is a journey too. So I'm excited about that. Might not be a journey that everybody wants to see, but it's a journey that I want to show. like it better without the mic. I don't know. I don't know if that's just me or what, but I need to get a new one of these pillows. Like, it's time. It's time. I've held on to this for a while now. It was actually my dad's, so I just been holding on to it. But look at this. Like, it's time to get another one of these. So I'm gonna do that. All right, so that will be here tomorrow. Honestly, like, it's not something that, oh, they have a pink lap desk. See, this is why I got it. No, I can't. I don't need that. But yeah, it's not something that I desperately needed, but I've been talking about it for like months, and it's just a pillow. Like, the link will be down in the description box below. I'm gonna go back to cleaning now. If you're wondering why I don't have a headboard, okay, so this is what happened. I was actually supposed to get a bed, right? Like, this mattress thing, this was a part of a bed that we had ordered. They never delivered it, like, ever. Like, I don't know what happened to my bed, but my mom was like, yeah, you can leave your bed on the bed springs or we can get another bed. And I was like, I took it as a sign as I will be leaving soon. Still here. So that's why I don't have a headboard. And honestly, I sleep on the mattress. Like, I don't know if that's weird, but I literally sleep on the mattress. Like, I don't really like sleeping on pillows like that. Like, I would rather sleep like on the mattress like this. So it honestly doesn't really affect me much. What are headboards for? Okay, let me finish this. I'm sleepy. I'm about to take a nap. It's hot now. I put on these pants. Oh, I put on these pants because I was a little bit cold. I do this because I have a little animal. His name is Myla. Myla is really cute, but really hairy. So I know he's actually a short-haired cat, but his hair gets everywhere, and it just annoys me a little bit. Like, he's not gonna clean up after himself, so I have to. He is also the reason that I use fabric sanitizer on like my sheets and stuff, because cats don't wash their hands. So therefore, I just put a little, fabric sanitizer on it, like on my sheets, because you saw this morning he be walking all over my bed like he owns it. So, I figure it's best to just, kind of sanitize. All right, I got my little pillows on the bed. My sheets are nice and clean. I think I'm gonna take a little nap. Just a little one, like 15, 30 minutes tops. 30 minutes is not a little nap, but that'll be like the most that I do. And I'll get back to cleaning. I'm gonna wake up like the SpongeBob. The transition. 3 hours later. These floors will never ever be clean, so I've learned to just kind of make it work with what I got. And that's just sweeping, and I occasionally like vacuum my rug and all that stuff. Because these floors are very old, and they've seen me through my entire life basically. So there's like stickers on the floor, there's like glue, there's paint, like there's all types of stuff. Yeah. Okay, here's what she's looking like. All right, so my room is complete. Now I'm gonna move on to the bathroom. Okay, so I finished the bathroom and it made me sweat my edges out, but it's done. So what I want to do now is like, yes. Okay. What I want to do next is like, okay, don't be washing your hugs. It's nice and clean. So yeah, I still want to do like the floors, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow because it's already late and I have a dance practice to get to. So I think I'm done with cleaning for tonight. When I get back, I think I'm gonna work on my blog post a little bit. So that can definitely get out. My mom. Myla, hi. Hi, Myla. Do you have a good day today? All right. We're gonna see what we can get done